Okay, dati kasama si Carlo. Ayan, parang top kayo. Yung players pa na nag-fighter. Ayan, dati kasama ko si Jeff. Ayun, si Jeff. Tara pa tayo. Dapat nakataligod na tayo sa upuan. Sir, dito tayo. Pero mga relative sila. Ayan, dalawang daddies. Ito na. Okay, harap po tayo sa audience natin. And pag-stop the music, ayan, yung mga kids sila na lang yung upo dito sa harap, sa buwan. Okay? Sa lahat ng kids, ayan, harap po na tayo na wala akong harap sa dito. Go! I show my moves on the everybody trying to see it. I live with broke shit and all the ladies trying to see it. Let's do me just be you, and I'm a good one. So they try to show me, bitches is straight to me. I go the alley with it, I make the place shine bright. It's like the losers do it very well. So I have to teach me how to work, teach me how to work, teach me how to work, teach me how to work. Mama put the work, mama put the nag-appear yung dalawa, yes! O, diba? Ito yung mga kiss na kapag lang ito wise.